What wood is best for furniture? As you likely know if you are in the process of furnishing your home, this isn't as simple as a question as it seems at first glance. The answer depends on your budget and expected usage. In addition to the wood type and quality used in a furniture piece, the process used to create the piece is another factor that greatly impacts the price level of the wood furniture you are considering. Wood is the basic raw element used to construct furniture. Wood furniture begins with the raw material used. Before getting into a discussion about wood quality, let's look at the types of wood that are used to make furniture. There are two primary types of wood materials: solid wood, which includes both hardwoods and softwoods, and manufactured wood, which is an engineered material that is often a composite of real wood and synthetic materials. Solid wood comes purely from lumber and is, therefore, a direct product of a tree. There are two types of real wood used in furniture making: hardwood and softwood. Hardwood is denser than softwood. Hardwood lumber comes from deciduous trees that generally grow more slowly. As you may have already noticed, the wood types that are seen most in high-quality wooden furniture are all from the hardwood family. Less dense than its hardwood cousin. Softwood generally comes from coniferous or evergreen trees that grow more quickly. Although they are unsolid woods, engineered or manufactured woods contain various types of wood and are also used in wood furniture making. Consider the original engineered wood is made by taking 3 to 5 slices of thin lumber and combining them with adhesives, often referred to as fiberboard. Particle board is made by using a wood chipper to break down lumber into tiny fibers and gluing them together with adhesive. Maple may be the ideal furniture wood. While there are many different types of maple, almost all are very durable and make for gorgeous furniture. It wears extremely well. Maple is naturally non-toxic, so it is often used to make kitchen cutting boards. There are several grain patterns available depending on the type of maple you are interested in. One of the more traditional woods in furniture making, mahogany, is a beautiful wood. It is lighter in weight than some of the other wood types here, but has the strength of oak. We think of mahogany as reddish-brown. However, there are lighter colors of the wood. Genuine mahogany is sourced from Latin America and is becoming harder and harder to find. It can be expensive. Oak is a very durable wood that is typically used for flooring and kitchen furniture. It is beautiful but can turn yellow over time. By contrast, red oak is slightly darker and porous. It also looks beautiful and is fairly inexpensive. Oak is an excellent wood for furniture. Thanks for watching. Until next time.